In today's video, I'm going to show you Tapo C400 review worth it at $40 or cheap for a reason. The Tapo C400 is a wire-free outdoor security camera from TP-Link's Tapo line that packs a surprising amount of features for around $40-50. Official specs include 1080p Full HD video, AI-powered person detection without a subscription, up to 180 days of battery life on one charge, color night vision, weatherproof IP65 build, local microSD storage, an optional cloud backup, plus easy Wi-Fi setup, and compatibility with Alexa, Google Home. For everyday use, many buyers feel these basics are solid value. The long battery life and subscription-free alerts are standout features at this price point, and the wide 117 degrees field of view combined with clear daytime footage makes it useful for monitoring a front porch, driveway, or backyard. Installation is generally straightforward for beginners. That said, real-world performance isn't perfect. Independent testers and user discussions emphasize that the camera's video quality and night vision clarity are decent but not top tier, especially in low light, and fine details can appear soft compared with pricier models. Users on forums report connectivity issues and intermittent Wi-Fi drops, occasional failures to record motion clips, and frustrations with how AI filtering works, for example. Some movements aren't logged even when they should be, or notifications are delayed. There's also a broader pattern on community threads, where some owners of Tapo cameras encounter offline devices or false triggers, which suggests that reliability varies with Wi-Fi strength and firmware versions. Bottom line, the Tapo C400 isn't a scam. It's a legit, affordable, outdoor security camera with real capabilities at $40, and many users find it good value for casual home monitoring. But it's not a premium camera either. It's a solid budget choice if you're willing to accept some limitations in exchange for very low cost. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.